¿Qué onda, mi raza? Con Archery Trucks. Aquí un little video. We racing outside right now in Donna. Estamos los mamalones. Compa. Puro mamalón. Puro mamalón. Puro mamalón. Puro mamalón. Fortunately, I'm not gonna race my car porque no está jalando como yo quiero que jale. Si no, así lo pusiera a jalar. Pero los que andan todos quick, super quick. So, ¿qué están haciendo las? This race right here. Y como le digo, we're gonna bring a little bit more racing. It's gonna be uploaded into my RC channel. I have my Archery Truck channel, but this is my RC channel, my personal channel. So we're gonna be uploading that in there. Este es el carrito mío. The puro chasis son $700. The whole setup, así como lo miras ahorita, así como está, with the radio and everything, teniendo como $2,500, give or take, $2,500 to build you a close to a 2 second car. So that's how much you need to spend to be with the fast boys. Pero my car right now, I crashed in last session, so no me gusta como jaló, so I'm gonna have to, you know, modify it and do more testing. I don't want to race these guys porque estos vatos están super rápido. So I'm gonna be wasting my money. Basically, I'm gonna be just donating to the cause. So we're gonna be out here. We'll catch some more races once we start. They're getting the list ready, and the people that are gonna race, they're getting ready. So let's go here and check it out. Top of line. Puro fast guy aquí. Puro fast guy.
They always have them call, so that's what I go by, because obviously we watch a lot of these. So a lot of the judges call them just what I see. And other people have made it sounds good, everybody agreed with it, so that's what it is. So it's not first or first or worst, it's whoever defaults first is. Red light, yeah. You're out. The other guy can hit the other guy can hit the houses and everything else, and he still wins. So, any more questions?
Sorry for the slow lane.
But yeah, that's pretty much what we got. So how long do y'all want to do chip draw? Right?
I'm gonna start doing the chip draw for the outlaw class, which is the class that I'm supposed to be in, but I don't want to, I don't want to enter. Man. I'm gonna get my ass handed to me. So, vamos a ver. Ah, tú eres tú no eres outlaw, ¿verdad?
Like the alligator.
Only you.
I get the check.
Only he can get the chips. We'll start on like stage levels.
Yeah.
Call people first, first people last. When you have your tips and everything else, you just give them to Lisa. Okay. Pops. Switch them. We're gonna get it lower.
They're gonna start racing, they're doing the draws, the chips. That way you can see who goes with who. So we'll be on. Once they start racing, we'll go up there and get some racing for you guys. So guys, there's two different kinds of tests we're gonna race today. This is gonna be the no bar. Doesn't have a wheelie bar at all. So these are pretty much fast. You need a wheelie bar once you go like faster. You need a wheelie bar. Why? Because it automatically do a wheelie. But these guys have them set up perfectly for them not to use a wheelie bar. So that's the other class that's gonna be running here today. This is the no bar class on the trucks. See a couple of no bars. Truck. So who goes first? Who's gonna do the first race? We're gonna be here to catch it live for you guys, so I can check it out. A little bit of what we do here in the RGV. It's well known everywhere, but we are putting RGV in the map also as well. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, we have the first pass of the day.
No, it wasn't centered at first. 870. Oh, is it?
Hey.
Battery. Oh, 8.44.
Hey, Edgar. You got 8.7 on your battery. You gotta get that discharged. Run it out fast. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, so 8.44.
Edgar. What you doing? Come on. You're up. You ain't got battery on or nothing. It's their first time.
Yeah.
Hey, you better get your team in order.
Oh, there it went. Well, my car was half centered on that.
Fine. Is that it? Edgar. He was overruled. What is it? Edgar. 30.
They check the voltage of the battery, make sure you're not over 844, because those are the official voltage you can run for the outlaw class. And there's a couple of guys that were up like 8.5, 8.7. So you got to put into your discharge. Your discharge is a little bit down, that way you get the 8.4 exact. It's just rules, you know, the Nprc rules, national rules. That's what they say. But you know, most of the guys here are on point. I'm not sure how much my battery is. I'm like new to this, to the rules actually. And you know, we usually run what you brung and shit. We don't care. So you know, they're gonna be testing. One of the guys about to race, he was a little bit over on his battery, so he's gonna have to lower it down a little bit. But that's what it is. We're gonna catch some more racing right now. They're about to start. So.
No.
Do we have to check again?
Yeah, you gotta stay up here.
Stand over here.
If y'all tech, please stay up here. Stay away from the pit.
Emilio, y'all ready? John C. and David. You gotta be on.
Somewhere right there. I think I'm backwards. I know you got me. I'm doing either one.
Ready?
Yeah.
On the line. Who's that? Yeah.
David said you guys said watch the tree before.
Drivers ready? On the line. 1500. I said the one in the back seat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey guys, we're inside the Factory 41 hauler. Got all the hot stuff right here. We're going to add some braces to my body because I've noticed it kind of flexes. So, see right here. There we go. Pound comes by, they need to check the car, make sure that they didn't put anything, any different batteries, stuff like that. Less weight, more weight. Every time you got a race, I mean, it makes it fair for everybody, every racer. That's just how it's done here in the races. So, you know, we will continue racing. By the way, I made my fastest pass. My personal best on my car is a 2.1. That's 2.1 seconds on 132 feet, which is, for me, fast. But you got guys running 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 today. So, got faster people. That's just how it is. They're taking in their cars right now. Make sure they didn't put nothing on it. And they're up to race, so we'll continue showing you guys the races.
Drivers ready? On the light. Oh! That was best case scenario for me, What was the time? Drivers ready? On the light.
Las dos. Rerun. The last one. Got Isaac. This guy's in our team. Rough Racing.
Drivers ready? On the line.
That's the truck class, guys. No bar truck class. Still fast as fuck. So here we go. More racing.
Drivers ready? Yep. On the line.
That's the truck class, guys. We're running outlaw and truck class today. Man, it's hot here in South Texas. Super, super hot. So we're trying to bear it. The last round was my compadre Tito. Fast truck, man. One of the OG racers. So got some more racing. Let's see. When you clip the wall, you're automatically disqualified. So you hit the wall, you're disqualified at all. We had a very close race. The guy, to what I think, almost clipped it on outlaw class, and but he was still advanced because the video wasn't clear, showing if he did clip it or not. But you can see clearly on this way he did clip it, so he's automatically disqualified. Even though he wins, he gets to the finish line first, he's still disqualified because he hit the wall. Those are the rules. Those are the rules. Get some more racing. Let's go.
Ready? On the line. Got how much time? 4 minutes. Okay. Oh yeah, they threw me off. I was like, oh shit, no.